matter of fact, I don't even think you're gonna join the recap. Yeah. All in all, I got to say, today was a good day. Talk to you. Hey, baby, cancel that 126. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna be offline for about an hour.
You know what? On second thought, copy that. You 19 in round to 551 Peachtree. Copy that.
What are you doing?
I told you I want to be a cop. I want to be a cop. That 126 might be serious. I feel like I got my second win. Like I'm Action Jackson or somebody right now.
Whoa. We discussed this. You're not cut out for this work, man. I'm taking you home.
I'm not going home like this. It's not going to happen. Now, if this doesn't go well, I will be out of your hair, Jen. Okay? All this hot talk will be finished. Matter of fact, I'll go one up. If this doesn't work, I will call Angela right now and tell her myself.
No funeral.